Hello and welcome to the QA Underground. Today's video is part 3 of a multi-part series that will go over how to create a Selenium page object model using Maven and TestNG. If you are not already subscribed to our channel but enjoy the content, I'd encourage you to hit the subscribe button down below, as we upload lots of testing related videos each week on a wide range of topics, from integrating AI into testing to setting up automation frameworks in multiple languages. With that out of the way, let's get into what we'll be covering in today's video. In our previous 2 videos, we walked through how to set up the project all the way through creating our first initial test. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to add TestNG parameters to our framework. To do so, we're going to be adding a TestNG parameter to our testng.xml file. Next, we'll add parameter annotations to our tests, and as a bonus, we'll be showing how to add parameters to our base class, so we can pull in things like a test data file path. We'll start off in our testng.xml file. The first thing we need to do is add a parameter value within suite. So we'll call parameter, we'll name it search term, and we'll give it a value of what we want the search term to be. So for this example, we'll use QA underground GPT-3 tutorial. Next, we'll go to our example test. Above our test annotation, we're going to add a @parameters annotation. Inside the parentheses, we'll add some curly brackets. Inside there, we'll actually just call the name of the parameter we want, so search term. So to get our test method to accept it, we need to create a string. So we'll do string search term, and then we'll simply replace the string that we want to search with our search term that comes back from our parameters. So we'll run this. As you can see, it used our parameter that we set up in our testng.xml file. Now, as a bonus, let's show how we can add it to our base class. So we'll open up our testng.xml. We'll simply add another parameter value below the one we created previously. So we'll do parameter. We'll name this one test data path, and then we'll simply provide the path to a test data folder. Now we'll go over to our base class, and above our @before annotation, we'll add a @parameters, parentheses, squiggly brackets, and then we'll call our test data path value. And then for our before method to accept it, we'll add a string called test data path, and then at any point we can call our test data path from within our base class. So we'll just simply print this one out because we don't currently have a test data folder directory set, so we'll just print this out. So if I scroll to the top, you can see that our test data path value was printed in our source control. And that will conclude part 3 of our series. In today's video, we talked about how to add TestNG parameters to our tests and to our base class. If you are not already subscribed to our channel but enjoy the content, I'd encourage you to hit the subscribe button down below, as we upload lots of testing related videos each week on a wide range of topics, from integrating AI into testing to setting up automation frameworks in multiple languages. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.